My name is Elder Alan Carrion, from now serving currently as a senior um, service missionary of the Auckland Mission.
My name is Sister Emma Carrion, and originally from the Philippines, but we now are living here in Auckland, New Zealand since 1996. So usually our weekly schedules runs like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'll be in the office working with another senior missionary to support the crew. The other interesting thing about our role is to participate in inspections for missionary flat. So we go in, we have this set of flats that are assigned to us as couple to make sure that they are up to standards and the missionaries are actually doing their job of also cleaning up properly their accommodation to make sure that they're living quite well.
One more?
That's it.
One more?
Okay.
It's good. For me, my work as the senior missionary is primarily helping Elder Garner, who is in charge of maintenance of the mission homes. 2 weeks ago, we emptied the missionary flat. We took out all the appliances there and cleaned it because the landlord was going to take it and demolish it for another building.
There will also be times where we would be doing career coaching with missionary friends who are being brought to the mission home or in other places. So we could have sessions with them. Like I'm currently doing career coach to friends of missionaries who are looking for work, looking at opportunities around depending on what they are actually looking for based on their skills and experience.
I can tell you they were crying when we came because they said we are really needed and we need more.
Missionaries, especially service missionaries and senior missionaries, are needed in the field because the wisdom that we carry, the experience that we have is very, very needed to be able for the active junior missionaries will be able to be out there and really be ready on a day-to-day basis. So come and be with us.